Get in there.
Okay, magic show, Dick.
Okay, remind me I'm getting stuff ready.
Oh, I want to do the trick. You want me to do it?
I want to see a magic show.
Those are her
Don't
props.
break
She
it,
just
Papa.
can't
That's
hold
part
them.
of the show. Don't break it.
Don't break it. Pick it up off the grass. You gotta hold it.
Yay!
Well, he's don't have to make this thing there. It'll be gone.
I will hold it.
All right, yeah, hey, she's doing good. Oh.
She's only got us a minute, so.
Okay. Well, it's not my fault. She's the one setting up.
Okay, okay, it's done.
My first trick is called Dottie Diamond.
You want a microphone? It's called what?
Dottie Diamond.
Bubba, sit down.
I have a card here that says it's 3 diamonds. Right?
Okay.
Right.
Not.
Very good. Yay.
Very good. That's a good trick.
Man, I didn't catch that. She's fast.
I've got a card here that says 6 diamonds, right?
Yep.
Right.
Not.
Not. Fool me.
I've got a card here that says 1 diamond, right?
Not.
No!
Shut up, peanut gallery.
Here's a 4 card, right?
No.
No.
That's a 5 of diamonds. Hey, I was right.
Uh-oh. Do you have pair of scissors like tomorrow?
Have what?
Pair of scissors. I need some for the next my next
Yeah,
set.
there's
I get them.
on top of the fridge.
My assistant. Oh, no. Uh-oh. Now that I'm not doing the trick. No, I've got another assistant in my bag. It's the same.
Do the thing. Do the thing. Red.
Tell her to be careful with those, because those are
Great.
chicken scissors.
Get over here, kid.
We're in the middle of a show.
Before the flies do.
We're in the middle of a show.
My next trick is called the Great Divide.
Great
First, I
Divide.
must get my lovely assistant, Christina.
All right.
Hey.
Uh-oh.
It's not like this is like cooking in the house. Cook in the house and they all go out and get it.
Get in there. Okay.
Well, you
I am now going to cut my assistant in half.
She's screaming.
Huh?
Hey.
Very good, Holly.
How'd you do that? I can't
It's
really
magic. Or as Uncle Jerry would say, very well, thank you.